Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like iPhone screen or screenshot are dark in your iOS. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option accessibility. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from the section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option display and text size. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like reduce white point. So make sure that this feature is turned off from your iPhone. So after you turn off this from here, you'll have to just back from here. Okay, so now from the section you'll have to go the option zoom. Alright, so now from the section you'll have to scroll down and go the option zoom filter. Okay, so from here, make sure that you have turned off this zoom filter from here. So simply you have to go the option none. So after done this, you'll have to just back from here. So if you are still facing the problem, you'll have to just reset all settings from your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to go the option general. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like transfer or reset iPhone. Alright, so simply from here, tap on reset. Okay, so simply tap on reset all settings. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just force restart your iPhone. So for that, from iPhone 8 to latest or 16, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and now from there you'll have to press and quickly release the volume up button, and from there you'll have to again press and quickly release the volume down button. So on the another hand, for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and now from there press and hold the volume down buttons. So for the 6 and 6 Plus, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and from there you'll have to press and hold the home button. So this is the method to force restart your iPhone. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.